Hey guys, Andrew here. Hello and welcome to another video on cooking stuff. Today we will be making chicken pasta with mushrooms, aka chicken alfredo with mushrooms to warm that cold body of yours. Comment down below if you're cold right now. Okay, without further ado, let's go. Welcome. So to start off, we will need to prep our ingredients. First, let's peel and dice an onion. I used a small whole onion, but you might use half if yours is bigger. Then let's peel it and mince 2 small or 1 huge clove of garlic. If you have a garlic crusher and you're not too lazy to wash it like I was, use it. Then wash off 250 grams of fresh mushrooms and
slice them up,
like I did here. Be careful to not cut yourself. I had more than 250 grams here, but again, like I say almost every week, do as I say, not as I do. Now, a secret ingredient for the pasta. I would suggest dicing a little bit of ham. I have this big old chunk right here on hand, so I just cut a couple of thick slices and dice them for that ham taste. Then get some chicken breasts, pepper and salt them to taste for frying. I had some chicken already marinated, so I decided to use this one. Okay, that was easy. Now we are ready to cook. Get a pan and put it on medium. Then get a bigger pot for sauce and later pasta and put it on medium heat also. Now to the pan add in canola oil, your chicken and cook it until, well, it's cooked. Inside should register 75 degrees Celsius or 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now in the sauce pot add in a tablespoon of butter, let it melt and then add in your diced
onion where the onion is put. This is the tip of the onion.
Okay, just fry your onions until they are soft, fragrant and translucent. I got a bit carried away and my onions browned a bit too much, but it's fine. Everything is fine. Browning means taste, so it's a win-win, right? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, now once the onions have softened up, add in your ham and let it fry a little bit before you will add a huge pile of mushrooms. Don't worry, they will soften and reduce in size. Just cook the mushrooms until there is very little water, aka mushroom juice left. And the mushrooms are soft. You can see here there is still a bunch of it left, so cook it a bit more. Also, I just removed half the mushrooms here, so don't be scared. Okay, so the chicken is ready. Remove it off to a plate or a wire rack and cut it into little cubes or slices. Then get a big pot with water and a bunch of salt and crank the heat until it boils. Now to the sauce, add in 250 milliliters of heavy whipping cream, add your minced garlic, some pepper and salt to taste. Wait until it starts to boil a little bit and lower the heat until the sauce thickens. It should be not too thick, but also not too runny. You can use the trick where the sauce sticks to the bottom of a teaspoon. I winged it this time. Then, when the water starts to boil in the pasta pot, add in your fettuccine pasta, around 300 grams. I added linguine because I like it and it's all I had in the house at the time. Throw it in the water like so to make it all pretty, and then immediately squish them in the water. Some people don't know this, but you can immediately bend your spaghetti, linguine, fettuccine or other long ass pastas. You don't have to wait for it to fall into the pot on itself because that way it doesn't cook evenly and you will not break your pasta.
Just a little tip on cooking long ass pasta.
Then you can add in your sliced chicken pieces. Now once the pasta is almost al dente, remove the pasta water and just leave a cup of it for later. Great, now the sauce is ready so we can mix in the pasta. So add in your pasta, and if you see that the sauce is too thick or too runny, just drizzle in a little bit of pasta water and cook it a little bit more. Once every pasta noodle is coated, turn off the heat and you're ready to serve. Now, I like my cheese grated on top and not in the sauce, but you can do as you please. You can grate Parmesan straight into the sauce if you want the real fettuccine alfredo. Okay, so if you like it like me, grate a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top and it's perfect. Creamy, mushroom and chicken sauce, perfect noodles, and the taste of fresh Parmesan. This pasta is to die for. Thank you for watching this week's video. Smash the like button if you liked it and comment down below what should I be cooking next. If you didn't like anything you saw or heard, well, you know what to do. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one. Peace!